Retirement? Not for this 86-year-old. Teruo Sugiura spends 4 days a week in this workshop in Tokyo, repairing traditional Japanese sliding doors.
There's no point staying at home, twiddling my thumbs. At least I'm happy working here, and I like the company.
Teruo is one of some 7 million Japanese who've returned to work after retiring. With a shrinking and rapidly aging population, this silver-haired workforce is for some analysts a boon for the country's flagging economy.
Increase in number of active workers will be a driving force of economic growth in the supply side, and also more growing number of active consumers will also be a driving force of economic growth in demand side.
And money is indeed the main reason many choose to return to work, with the average salary for pensioners like these around €300 a month. Taiko Nishima has been back in employment for 7 years. At 74, she's looking ahead, knowing that her pension will never be enough to pay for a nursing home.
It costs around 2,000 to 2,500 euros a month for full service. I can't do that with my pension, so I am putting money aside every month from what I earn here to plan ahead.
The government is gradually raising the retirement age to 65 by 2025, but even that would seem unlikely to deter Japan's geriatric working class.